Okay, today I'm going to show you the fastest and simplest way to put up a shiplap firewall, just like this.
Alright, so I don't know if you've seen these or these are like the hottest thing or whatnot, but my wife gave me this little Pinterest challenge and I was looking at it and I was like, man, I think I could make this a little faster and easier. And so I went ahead and just measured the ceiling and it was 8 foot. So all I did was make an 8 foot square basically and attached one cross brace in the middle. You find one stud and then I made sure to verify that there were 16 across. If you are some kind of psychopath in your house, you might want to double check, just make sure they're not 12 inches. Mark those lines and get them level. Then I just set up the frame, get it in place, and go ahead and attach those into our marks we made. And boom, we got our structural backing. And this didn't take me more than 30 minutes, really. I made these little 12 inches extensions. And I'll put 4 of them along the sides. And as you can see, all I did was just attach them directly into the side there.
Alright, so here's where we're at now. Basically, all I did was mirrored the 8x8 frame that I made before. Just make another one. You can see here. And I attached all my little extension pieces to that mirror. I just made 2, stuck them together, and fastened my extensions on. Went ahead and made a cross brace here so I could set my TV. Boom, so it's just 1 in the middle and 2 studs here in the middle and 1 structural just for a little extra support to hold a 75-inch TV. And then we will get to working on the fireplace here and the mantle. I'll probably just put 1 more stud, maybe 2 here, and then box in fireplace. So let's get to that. One other thing I'll show you here, I just marked 16 inches up. That's where I want the bottom of the fireplace to be. And then I have a mark up here top off the 16 inch there. So I know where to lay my 2x4s across to box it in. Okay, so now we got our 2x running across for our fireplace box. Now we just need to get some height measurements here. I know my clearance, I need to be around 17 and a quarter. So I got roughly 17 3/8. That's perfect. So I'll cut 2 of those. And there you go. That will be everything structurally sound to hold the fireplace, the TV, and all the shiplap. So, without further ado, let's get the shiplap on.
Okay, so as you can see here, I got it all up. I even got my wife into the action here, and she helped paint all the recessed areas, like all the where the actual tongue and groove parts were. So, because it wasn't as easy to get the roller in there, so she just went around and hit all those little areas for me first, so then I could just roll right over the top and get it all taken care of.
All right, so as you can see, it's starting to come together here. Paint's all on, dried. Went ahead and put our TV mount up, and I just drilled a little hole with a Forstner bit here. Drove it through and got it plugged in all in the back. And now we'll start on the trim. So let's get to it.
So I picked these post brackets up from Home Depot, and they just directly screw on. I made sure to use some nice 3-inch decking screws, something with some good strength. And I believe they're 3/4 of an inch round, so I just drilled out 2 holes at 3/4 of an inch in the back at the same depth. It was around 6 inches. And you want to make it nice and snug. Don't over drill them out, so that they go on there nice and snug. As you can see, we're pulling on it because we don't want no little kids, our little ragamuffins, doing pull-ups on it and it coming crashing down on them. So here, I'm just getting the fireplace into place, checking for fitment. And it went in nicely. So now we'll go ahead and put on the cover plate for the fireplace. And if you've ever got one of these things, or when you do, you'll see that there are little hooks on the sides of these, and they just kind of lock right in place. And then you put some set screws in the sides, and voila, this pincher's build is done. It really does give the living room a nice extra touch. I thought it turned out really nice. So if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and until the next one,